so excited to see you here again. We are doing this quick and easy makeup look for those busy bees who are always in hurry. This makeup is really good for summer. It is non-greasy and long-lasting matte finishing look. Let's get started and learn this little tutorial. Starting off, I've done my skincare and now I'm starting with a little more hydration using this matte Prep and Prime fixer. For foundation, I'm using this Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation, which I'm applying with damp beauty blender. Now I'm using L.A.GIRLE Pro Concealer to correct my dark spots using my skin color and blend it with the beauty blender. Again, fix everything with the fixer. I'm going to use this lighter concealer under my eyes for brightness. Going to apply this Makeup Revolution banana powder under the eye, which will minimize the creasing, and lightly I will apply it all over my face, especially around the T-zone. For eyebrows, I'm using this Benefit eyebrow pencil. I'm going to keep my eyebrows simple, just filling the gaps. Now using this HOOLA bronzer for the nice sun-kissed bronzy look, will lightly contour my nose, cheeks, and jawline. Using same bronzer for my eyes for eyeshadows. Using this black coal in my upper waterline, which will make your eyes big and open. Now going to apply eyeliner and mascara off camera. For a blush, I'm using this powder blush, choosing this peachy shade. Remove excess and apply it on your cheekbones. I even like to apply it on my nose and a chin. Using this Benefit brow gel to fix my eyebrows. Now final fix with the MAC fixer. I'm going to apply this beautiful bold red lipstick. This is going to be the final look of my makeup. Today I think it was very quick, like I have finished in just 5 to 6 minutes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.